Hi everyone, for today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this perfect voluminous hair using no heat. Yes, you heard it right. I didn't use any curling wand for this, so if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. To start off, you'll be needing a comb, your turban or your headband, and a hairspray. You can also use oil essentials for your hair. So first things first, I brush my hair gently, going all the way from the roots to the ends of my long hair. I swear, this step is a must because it helps you not to mess up later. Having a tangled hair will make doing this hairstyle harder, and it will make your curls less defined. Next step is I dampen my hair with water. Headband curls are most effective on slightly wet hair because it will dry into the shape of the curls, and as you can see, I am using a spray bottle of water. It's very convenient for me, and if you don't have one at home, then that's okay. You can just dampen it with your hand as it is. Then I put my headband in place like this. I begin working my locks around the band in a small section and working towards the back. For the looping part, I partition about the width of my 2 fingers and then loop the strand under the headband to make one complete loop. Then just continue it. Do another loop with combined strands until you reach all the hair from the back. After that, just repeat the process on the other side until you reach the back again. You can use a pin to secure it, so it won't get entangled when you sleep on it. I use the hairspray to help my hair hold the curl patterns until I take it down in the morning when I wake up. So here's the outcome. I still usually style my hair and comb it with my hands or brush for finishing touches. Once I'm done and happy with the style, I usually use spraying it again to have it in place and to make sure it will last longer. And now I'm done! Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up and comment down below on what videos you want to see from us next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye!